Welcome to TothBe's Content Factory, where we transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Imagine your corporate training programs now coming to life with captivating stories, customization, realistic scenarios, diverse characters, engaging animations with storytelling and intelligent gamification. In the information age, training alone is not enough. You need to inspire and engage your team, and TothBe is here to help. If you face challenges such as ensuring all employees understand and apply the code of conduct and internal policies, if your HR department needs to transform the onboarding process to make it more engaging for new hires, if you are looking for specific training for a particular area of the company, know that in our Content Factory, every challenge is a unique opportunity for development and engagement. And there's more. Our custom productions can be integrated into your own platform in MP4 or SCORM format. With the help of TothBe's Content Factory, you will go through any audits or external requirements with complete peace of mind and in full compliance, knowing that your team will be fully prepared. What are you waiting for? Engage, empower, and transform your team with TothBe.